welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mama G, and yes, today guys we will speak about Emily in Paris. So Emily in Paris is a nice series in Netflix. So we watch it and I love Emily. I love the way she dressed. She is smart. I love her personality actually. So after watching Emily in Paris, and if you love to visit Paris one day, not today because there's a lot of coronavirus around here. So maybe one day. So I advise you to keep these 4 magic words that will change your life when you will be in France. So what are those? First, bonjour. Bonjour means hello. For example, in the hotel, you have to say bonjour to the staff, to the French, Even to the guests, you can say bonjour. Also, when you go outside in the hotel, and if you want to buy bread or croissant in the bakery, you have to say bonjour before you order something. Even in the restaurant or any, like if you are about to buy sandwich outside, you always have to say this word, bonjour. Okay, so next, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît means please. So if you are asking or ordering something, you always have to say this word, s'il vous plaît. Or when you are lost, if you want to ask someone, you can say s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. If you want to have their attention, they will be happy to help you. Not like, hey, 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 French people will not be happy, I'm telling you. Okay, so next, merci. Merci means thank you. So you always have to say this word whenever they did something nice to you. Merci. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. So, if you are leaving the restaurant or the coffee shop or the hotel, you can say au revoir. Yes, French people, guys, will be happy to hear these 4 magic words from you. Even you don't speak very well in French, just know these 4 magic words, basic French. They will be happy speaking to you. So for example, I am going to the coffee shop. Okay, so of course I will stand in front and I will wait. Someone will assist me. I will not just go, I will just choose my chair and sit down. It's not polite. So okay, I will wait them. So if someone assists me, I will say bonjour, bonjour. Okay, so if they send me, if they ask me how many we are, of course, how many we are. If I am just alone, I can say s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. Okay, so if they will assist me in the table, before I'm going to sit, I will say merci. Okay, so now they will take my order and I will order, for example, 1 cappuccino. Cappuccino, s'il vous plaît. They will understand and they will be happy to serve you. Actually, guys, you can say cappuccino. They will understand, of course. But if you will say cappuccino, s'il vous plaît, there's a difference between they are doing their job or they're happy doing their job. They are happy to serve you because you ask them politely. So that's it. So now, if you are going to leave the coffee shop, you can say au revoir. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. So French people will be happy to hear those words from you. So French people, they don't like to speak in English. Well, I understand. French language is a beautiful language. French language is a romantic language. Je t'aime mon amour. Je t'aime mon chéri. It's a romantic language And it's you will come in French, so you have to make effort to speak in French. Am I right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you and see you again. Bye.